Assalamu alaikum students. Today we have a topic multiplication of matrices. So today we will discuss that how can we multiply two or more matrices with each other. So first of all you have to read this, that two matrices A and B. Suppose we have two matrices A and B are conformable for multiplication when the number of columns of A is equal to the number of rows of B. यहाँ पे कह रहे हैं कि हम दो मैट्रिसेस को तब मल्टीप्लाई कर सकेंगे, इजीली हम उनको मल्टीप्लाई कर सकेंगे जब एक मैट्रिसेस के नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स दूसरे मैट्रिसेस के नंबर ऑफ रोज के इक्वल हो जाएं. We can easily multiply matrices when the number of columns of first matrix is equal to the number of rows of second matrix. So then we can easily multiply two matrices. Let's take an example so you can easily understood. So let's take an example. Suppose if we have a matrix A, we have A matrix, it is just like 1 3 2 minus 3. We have a matrix A and we have another matrix B which is minus 1 0 3 2. So we just need to multiply these two matrices. So before multiplying these two matrices, first of all we have to see that the number of columns of this matrix is equal to the number of rows of this matrix or not. So if the number of columns of this A matrix is equal to the number of rows of B matrix, then we can easily multiply these two matrices. So let's see, one column, two column. So matrix A contain two columns, and the matrix B, we have to see the rows of matrix B. One row, second row, so we have two rows. So in matrix A we have two columns and in matrix B we have two rows. So these two satisfy this one, because we have already said that the one number of columns of matrix A is equal to the number of rows of matrix B, then we can easily multiply matrices with each other. We have just simply taking a supposition that we have two matrices. We have named first matrix as A and the second matrix B. So we can take more than two matrices and we can give it name something like C matrix, D matrix, F matrix, G matrix, but we have to multiply two matrices when the number of columns of first matrix is equal to the number of rows of second matrix. Then we can easily multiply two matrices. So you just see that the number of columns of A matrix is equal to the number of rows of B matrix. So we can easily multiply these two matrices. So let's multiply these two matrices. So when we multiply these two matrices, we get product AB, because we are multiplying A matrix with B. So A matrix is 1 3 2 minus 3, and we are going to multiply, so just taking dot or so B matrix minus 1 0 3 2. So how can we multiply these two matrices? You see that the first A matrix is 2 by 2, it has the order 2 by 2, and the second matrix is have also the order 2 by 2. So it's not we just not see the order of two matrices, we have to just see the columns of first matrix and rows of second matrix. If these two are equal, then we can easily multiply two matrices. So we are multiplying A matrix with B. So first of all we have to do that, multiply 1 with minus 1, 1 multiplied by minus 1, then we plus, we add a sign plus, and after that we have to multiply 3 with this 3 multiplied by 3. So after that multiply this one with this 0, 1 multiplied by 0, and then again addition sign, and then multiply 3 with 2, 3 multiplied by 2. So this is done first row. Now we are moving to the second row. So just same, multiply 2 with -1, 2 multiplied by -1, addition sign, and then multiply 3 with this 3, -3 multiplied by 3. Again multiply 2 with 0, 2 multiplied by 0, addition sign, and this -3 multiplied by 2. So just simply solve this. 1 multiplied by -1, we have got -1, addition sign, 3 multiplied by 3, 9, 1 multiplied by 0, 0, plus 3 to the 6, 2 multiplied by -1, -2, plus 3 3 the 9, but -9, 2 multiplied by 0, we got 0, plus 3 to the 6, -6, because 3 is negative. So -9, -1 plus 9, 8, 0 plus 6, 6 minus 2 minus 9, 0 minus 6. 8, 6 minus 2 minus 9 minus 11, 0 minus 6 minus 6. So we got the product of A matrix and B matrices. So that's the answer. We have concluded to the answer, that is the product of two matrices. So I repeat again that how can we multiply two matrices. So first and the most important condition is that we have to multiply two or more matrices. We can't multiply one matrix. We have to need two or minimum 2 or 3 matrices to multiply with each other. So if we have two matrices, then we have, what are the conditions that we can easily multiply two matrices? First one is that we have to see the columns of first matrix and the rows of second matrix. If these two are equal, then we can easily multiply two matrices. In other words, if the number of columns of one matrix is equal to the number of rows of second matrix, then we can easily multiply these two matrices. So we have just you see, we have just taken an example. We have A matrices and B matrices. A matrix contain 2 columns and B matrix contain 2 rows. So it satisfies that number of columns of A is equal to the number of rows of B. So we can easily multiply these two matrices. Just when we multiply two matrices, product sign AB, it becomes AB. This one is first matrix and this one is second matrix. So that's the procedure that how we can multiply these two matrices. First of all, the first we have multiplied 1 with -1 and 3 with this 3, and after that I have done in very easily. So you can see, and when addition, about taking calculations just like that, and after that we got to the end that the product of two matrices is a new matrix, which is 8, 6, -11 and -6, and it contains 2 rows and 2 columns also. So that's the end. So I hope you will easily understand that how we can multiply two matrices. Thank you very much.